Hey there YouTube. Today I'm making a video showcasing this Faber Castell FC-100 electric stapler. It looks very old. I see it has a xenon lit power switch, and that does light up, and the switch does work. I've already been playing with this, as you can see, but I'll just show you. I'll just take this thing to Pound Town real quick. Look at that. Works great. I'll turn it off and unplug it so I can open it up and show you it. Alright, there, unplugged it. So now I can open this without fear of killing myself. Actually, why not? Okay, good. Looks like here is the release, I think, for the staples. I don't know. Yep. Alright, a few things to note. There is supposed to be a plastic bushing right here. It is missing. These often crack and fall off. The bushing is supposed to hit the head of the stapler and soften the blow, but really, metal on this is fine. It has a ruler on the side. It's got 4 suction cup pads on the bottom, which are starting to dry up and crack. Probably would not hold good section. This was inspected by 86345. That was a good guy. I knew him. Not really. There's the serial number. It is 39619. 39619. You know, 86345 always told me how proud he was of 39619, and it's a good kid. Very powerful. It dims the lights when I use it. You'll see you have a power thing back here. I'm just going to leave it at 1. I don't want to cause damage. So, anyway, it's just a stapler, but I thought I'd make a video showing it. Thanks for watching.